I'm so bummed and horrified right now. Hey guys, it's Booya and welcome back to my channel. I posted a poll again on my Instagram stories as I usually do. I posted a question if ano mas gusto nyo na look for today's tutorial. Whether it's Catriona Gray or a simple summer glam look. And 53% of you chose the simple summer glam look, and that's what we're gonna do today. But before we start the tutorial, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. If red pa yung subscribe button down below, then please do click it. And then when it turns gray, then you are part of the Boo Familia. So please click that red tab below. Also guys, what I like to do lately is I let you guys comment down below. Comment nyo yun down below ha, yung usernames nyo sa Instagram. Make sure nyo na public yung Instagram nyo, because what I like to do lately is I go to your Instagram, get to know my Boo Fam, and like your posts, and sometimes I maybe comment. Okay, earlier, I'm so bummed. We saw sa intro na I was so bummed. Yun ko lang na-realize na naka-manual yung focus ng lens ko. So basically, medyo blurred yung tutorial. But hopefully may makuha pa rin kayo kasi ang dami ko ng tips for morena skin. But anyway, ayun guys. I'm so sorry if blurred. I hope you still love me. Please subscribe. Thank you.
Alright, bye-bye. Watch na kayo. Watch. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye na talaga.
First up, for extra boost of hydration para sa balat natin or para sa face natin, I will be using Fixie Beauty's Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. So, I have been using this for 2 weeks already. And I bought this because nagka-breakouts ako na sobrang lala kasi napaka-dehydrated ng balat ko. Yung misconception ng mga tao na kapag oily skin ka, yun lang yung mag-breakouts. But no! After ko mag-apply ng moisturizer, my skin still feels really dry. Sabi ko, I need oil talaga. I need oil on my face real fast. And I know a makeup artist who swears by this, and a lot of people have been reviewing this. And I mean, raving about this. Yung pimples ko at saka yung breakouts ko, nawala sila in 2 days. Meron pa nga marks ngayon. But yung bumpiness, nawala siya. It's really important to hydrate your face. When you feel dry na, hydrate. For this tutorial, I'm gonna incorporate this kasi summer na ngayon and it's really important to take care of our skin. So that is why we have this bad boy. So you can use this morning to night, daily. And we're just gonna put 2 drops. Just gonna heat up my hand. I like doing this kasi napaka-relaxing niya. And just spread it all over your face. Next, I'm gonna use Everbelena's Aqua Moisturizing Cream with Whitening. Now that my face is all set, I'm ready to conceal the blemishes na nasa balat ko ngayon. I'm gonna use from Fashion 21 their Concealer Foundation Stick, the shade Warm Tea. Yung normal shade ko sa Fashion 21 is eto, yung almond. But since nagpa-ilog ako, nagpa-beach ako lately, so sobrang tan ko ngayon. If magpapa-beach kayo, make sure that sa kit ninyo, meron kayong 2 shades. Yung first shade is yung normal nyo na skin color shade. The second one, kailangan nyo talaga na may baon na extra na foundation. At least a shade darker than you. If nagme-makeup kayo sa vacation nyo ha. If hindi naman kayo nagme-makeup sa vacation nyo, then carry lang. Pero tayo, na madrama, na maarte, then bumit-bit kayo talaga, girls, ng extra foundation. Para ma-sure ninyo na pack kayo, na hindi kayo jabberwockies, okay, sa beach, na tan yung whole body ninyo, but yung face nyo may mascara dyan na white, okay? We don't want that hot mess be messing with our beach vacation because girl, we be snatching. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna spot conceal para light lang talaga yung coverage skin natin. And then also keep in mind na summer look to. So, ayoko na parang sobrang bigat tsaka sobrang cakey na talaga ng mukha natin tsaka sobrang full on yung foundation coverage natin. Kasi summer, tapos sobrang humid dito sa Pilipinas. Tapos ayoko maghuhulas yung beauty natin. Then I'm gonna blend this away with my blending brush. Next, I'm gonna brighten my under eyes using almond. So I'm gonna put it dyan lang sa line na yan. Yan, apply ko lang dyan. And lalagay ako dito. Konti lang dito. But not too much. Hindi na yung before na what I usually do na sobrang ganun talaga, sobrang apply, like super pack apply talaga, ganun. No, like very konti lang. Very. Next, to contour my face, I'm gonna use NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Nutmeg. Kung saan yung may mga fattening na nangyari. Pero like, again, sobrang konti lang, guys. Then, blend it out with a bigger buffing brush. Ayan, kita nyo, guys. Well blended and contoured and super payat. Carry na pag namaga yung yung kamay. Basta na-blend lang yung maayos yung mukha natin. Contour pala tayo sa nose natin. Pero sobrang konti lang. Dito tayo mag-start and drag it downwards. Next, to set my face, I'm gonna use Colorette's Flexi Powder in the shade Hazel. Maganda siya. Set na set yung mukha natin. Next, I'm gonna contour my face using these two from Makeup World Complete Contour Palette. Next is my blush. This is in the shade Mandarin from EB Advance. I got the Beyonce glow, sister! Oh my gosh! Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Oh! I can't. Yes, Morena Skin, work it! I love it. Next, I'm gonna move on to my kilay. Yung gagamitin ko ngayon is yung Careline na Go Big Mascara. Ito yung difference when I apply the mascara. It look kind of bushier na and mas alive yung kilay ko. Slowly lang tayo mag-build up and just brush up lang. Perfect talaga siya for the summer kasi lakas maka-fresh compared to very on-fleek na kilay. So next for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use color tint in the shade Andre. And I'm gonna use the blush also from Everbilena. I-apply ko lang siya with my finger, guys, yung tint. Hindi yun na kailangan ng applicator for this one. And mas maganda siya pag hindi applicator yung ginagamit niyo. Next, on top of that, I'm gonna apply this blush. Yung blush na ginamit ko kanina in the shade Mandarin with my fluffy brush. Next, I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes, apply mascara using the Cathy Doll mascara, and then pop on some eyelashes. Now that's done, I'm gonna highlight my face and I'm gonna use from Sneak Makeup the Face Contour Kit, Pressed Powder, and Highlighter in one. Lastly, for my lips, I'm gonna use Colorette's Color Tint, again in the shade Andre. Ayan, super bagay talaga to siya for my lips today. And before I finish this look, I have to wrap it up with this last product pala. This is from Pixi again. Pixi Skin Treats, the Glow Mist. Actually, hindi siya setting spray. It's a glow mist. Pero gusto ko may glowing effect ako this summer. So, actually, I really love this product. Along with this one as well. Like, maganda silang combo. I highly recommend this to you guys. So, you should try this out. First, you shake it well. And then, mist it all over your face. Ayan. And that concludes our tutorial for today. Ayan guys, if nakaabot kayo ngayon, if tiniis nyo yung blurriness ng tutorial, I'm super thankful sa inyo guys. Like virtual hugs. Ay! Please do like this video and share it. Of course, if you have any more comments or suggestions, if ano pa yung looks na gusto niyo gawin ko, challenges, Q&A portion, fun facts, I don't know. Comment everything you need to comment. Yung mga hinanakit nyo, yung mga happiness nyo, or kahit ano na. And also your username. Your username. Thank you so much again guys for watching. And just remember, no hate, just love.